Okay, in this video, I am going to show you how to make TikTok ads. I'm going to show you how to create TikTok ads, how to run ads on TikTok, or how to run TikTok ads. If you're new to this video, kindly hit that like button, comment "Let's go Mr. Ayo" to keep the fire burning, the motivation burning, and ask any questions you have concerning TikTok ads, probably during this time or after you watch this video to the end. Now, for those of you who need help with TikTok ads manager, or you are experiencing any kind of problem with TikTok ads manager, or you don't have access to TikTok ads manager in your country, or you need somebody that will be able to help you create it, to verify your business so you can have a strong ads account that won't be banned after you fund it, you can chat me on WhatsApp using this number. And how do you run TikTok ads? How do you make TikTok ads? It's massive sales and massive conversion for your business. Running ads using the TikTok ads manager on your computer gives you more advantage of using much more features, just like targeting high income earners, targeting by hashtags, targeting by interest, targeting by behaviors, and so much more like that. So you want to ensure that you have your TikTok ads manager ready as I teach you in this tutorial on how to make TikTok ads, right? So let's get straight into it without further ado. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to ads.tiktok.com, that is ads.tiktok.com. Then when you get here, right, like I said, you should have opened your ads manager. So when you get here, you're going to see your dashboard. Then you are going to click on create ad, right? You're going to see different options here, which is campaign tools, analytics, GMV mass, and so on. So you're going to navigate to the right side of the screen and click on create ad. Then when you click on create ad, this will bring you list of objective that you're supposed to follow, right? What is the goal of your campaign? Do you want to get more sales? Do you want TikTok messages that could lead to sales, right? Warming up your account. Do you want more followers? Do you want more video views? So you are to specify whatever you want to, derive from your advertisement. Do you understand? So it is loading right now, and you're going to see list of objective we could choose. List of objective we can choose here, right? So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on switch to full version to enable you to get the most, right, the best out of the TikTok ads manager and the targeting. So you click on it, then you click on confirm. Then once you click on confirm, then you're going to see the TikTok ads manager being displayed on a whole new level, right? The professional method. So let's wait for it to load right now. So as you can see right now, we have something like advertising objective, right? And when we hover to it, choose the best advertising objective based on your campaign goals, which means what is the goal you want to derive. What is your aim? So you're going to see reach. This one will give you the ability to just reach new audience, right? Tell more people about your product, service, or company, and we have consideration traffic. Do you want to drive people to your Shopify store, to your website, your WhatsApp group? You can click on traffic. Do you understand? Do you want more video views, community interaction, right? Do you want to promote your live stream, get people to visit your TikTok profile, and get more people to follow your TikTok account? Or you want app promotion, lead generation, do you understand, sales? So now if you want to go for this sales, you should understand that you need to have a standard website, and this will require you to there are some ad objective here, like sales, like like sales, right? And some other apps like lead generation. If you select on your website, they will tell you to install Pixel. So you have to pay for a very good website and have that. So now you can check out my profile for more videos on this, right? How to run to your website. But for this video, to make everybody understand, and based on the screenshot I just showed on the screen in this video, at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show it again. It's better to warm up your account by running ads lead generation, generating it into your TikTok profile, right? They will be sending you DMs about your products and services, and by so doing, you can start converting them using automated reply. You set the automated reply there, and people can start buying, going to your website, going to your links, and so on. So you're going to click on lead generation. So once you click on lead generation, right, and you're going to click on manual campaign. Don't click on smart campaign or search campaign. Create your campaign with keywords and service. Don't do that. Click on manual campaign. Go down. Then once you go down, name your ad, right? Whatever you want. So I'm just going to skip this. I want the video to be short as possible. So select ad category. Just leave that and click on next. Continue, right? You're going to see continue here. So once you click on continue, you're going to be taken to the ad set level. Do you understand? You're going to be taken to the ad set level. So we are there already. So now in the ad set level, you can decide to name your ad sets just like the campaign name, right? So once you've named your ad set, then the next thing you're going to see something like optimization, right? And you go down, you're going to see location. Where do you want these leads to go? Like I said, collect leads through your website. If you choose this, you will need to set up a pixel, right? And you're going to see something like instant forms, TikTok direct messages, instant messaging apps. Maybe you want to send it to WhatsApp, Messenger, Zalo line, phone calls. So click on TikTok direct messages, right? Which you can later on connect through automated reply. Do you understand? And convert them. So you're going to go, and most of you, if you have TikTok shop link, you can send it through the message, and those people can actually take action on your profile. Do you understand? Click on your TikTok shop link and buy something. So go down, then you're going to see something like go. You're going to click on it. You're going to see something like clicks and conversations. So click on conversation, because TikTok is going to take this to people who are highly interested in your product or services, your ads, and they will click on that message button and send the message, not just clicks. Don't select clicks. Do you understand? Clicks can get you people who just click on your video, tap to like or whatever like that. So let's go down. You're going to see something like placement. Okay, show your ads across TikTok. Leave all this like that. If you don't want them to share your video, you could tick this off. Do you understand? Or on, right? So go down. You're going to see the targeting option. So in this location, you can click on this drop down menu, and you will see different countries you can target. Like I have here, United States, United Arab Emirates. Let's say I want to target United States and Nigeria, right? United States, Nigeria, and let's see, these are the two people I want to target. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the age section. I'm going to cancel 18 to 24. I'm going to leave 25 to 54. I'm going to tick off 55 blocks. Then the gender, you can select male if it's male, what you sell, or only for female, or you can select all. So for the language, then you click on this and ensure you select the right language. So for this, I'm going to click on English. So depending on whichever country you want to target, make sure you select the right language so they can understand your video. So you're going to see something like spending power. It is highly recommended if you're targeting high countries. Click on this high spending power, and you can be able to select people who like to use their card to purchase on TikTok, like buying gifts and purchasing things on TikTok shops of some other businesses, right? They have an history. So go down, then you're going to see something like audience, include audience. Do you understand? You're going to see something like interest and behavior. So go down here, and in this place you have the ability to target any interest, video interactions, purchase intention, creator interactions, hashtag interactions, anyone you want. So let's say for instance I click on purchase intentions, right? People who have been searching online to buy a particular product or buy your particular type of stuff, right? Do you understand? So they've been searching on TikTok search. You are able to target people based on what they've been searching on TikTok search, right, to buy. So if your ads is under financial service, you can decide to click on any of these, right, categories to target people. Do you understand? So unlike mine is under business. You can decide to click on business services and click on let me check it out, marketing and advertising. Do you understand? So this is not the only targeting you could use. There are some other beautiful targeting you could use. Do you understand? Just like just like video interactions, creator interactions, hashtag interest. So I'm just trying to use purchasing intentions, right, based on people's intention. So if you need more targeting to use for your business and you need me to craft it out for you, you can DM me on WhatsApp. You can call me on video call if you don't trust me. I'm gonna solve this for you. Do you get? So let's go down and you're going to get to that device operating system. So you can decide to choose people who are only using Android or people who are only using iPhone. Do you understand? Or just all. If you don't see the mouse on the screen, just check where I'm clicking on the screen. Do you understand? And how I'm scrolling. Okay, so I'm going to click on all, right? You can see it. Then the OS versions, just leave that. Do you understand? Then you're going to see connection type. Just go down, go down, go down. Then the budget and schedule, you're going to see something like under the budget you see daily, lifetime. Do you want to run these ads per day, right? Set the budget daily or just a lifetime budget. So I will advise you click on daily and click on the box beside it, right, to input the amount you want to run ads for. So I'm going to input $20. Let's try to input $10 if it's going to go. You can see. So the least you can do is $20. If you want me to show you how you can advertise lesser than $20 every single day, you can chat me up. I will get you a separate ads account that can be able to help you do this. Do you understand? A trick. You'll be able to run ads for less than $5 a day. Do you understand? So let's go down. You know, the reason why I'm creating this video is a lot of international countries are watching, so I have to just make it understandable for everybody. So I'm going to go down, schedule. You can decide to click on plan start time, and you're going to see plan start time, and click on the watch. You can manipulate anything you want here. So I'm going to go down. Then the day pattern, you can click on all day for the ads to run all day or specific time. You understand? So I'm going to leave it at all day, and I'm going to click on continue. Right, you're going to see continue here. So we click on continue here, and we're going to get into the next page, right, where we are going to be seeing the ad level, where you are going to be setting your ad name, selecting your video, the TikTok profile you want to use for ads, and you can be able to submit your ads and make your payment, right? So let's get straight into it. So you're going to see the ad name. You can click on this box here and decide to edit. Do you understand? Right, you can edit it into anything you want. So name your ad name just like you have the campaign name, ad set level, and you go down to identity. You're going to see select the TikTok account. So you want to click on connect TikTok account, and you're going to click on from TikTok or from Business Center, right? So if you click on from Business Center, do you understand? If you click on from Business Center, let's click on it from Business Center. This will open another new tab and will show you a place where you need to log into your TikTok account, input your login details, and actually connect your TikTok account. I'm going to show you here. Do you understand? So let's the page load. So I'm on the next page where TikTok is recommending that I set a two-step verification. I'm going to be clicking on not now, and once I click on not now, let's see if this is going to take me. You are going to be seeing a prompt on the screen that says add delivery permissions. Select what permissions you need to deliver ads with a TikTok account, then generate a QR code, that is an authorization code, to share with the owner of the TikTok account so you can authorize access, give access. So I'm going to click on existing post, publish and manage new videos, live videos. You can click on this, showcase, message, ads permission. You can click on everything depending, or click on few. So I'm going to click on generate QR code. You understand? Upgrade to TikTok Ads Business Manager to unlock even more parts. I'm just going to click on add only. You're going to click on add only, right? And once you click on add only, you're going to see this code. Do you understand? Ask any TikTok account owner to scan this code to approve your request. So you're going to get your phone. Do you understand? Right? You're going to get your phone, and actually you're going to see the step below here, how to scan the code. Open the TikTok app and tap profile, tap add friends, tap the minus at the top right corner to scan the code. Make sure you are logged into TikTok first. You can cancel access, whatever. Then once you click on that, you do this, you'll be able to add your TikTok account, right? So you're going to see the step on the screen. Do you understand? Make sure you're using the latest version of. If you are not able to do it, you can chat me up. Do you understand? Right? So you click on got it, and this will be done. Do you understand? Right? This will be done for you. So let's go back to the TikTok Ads Manager. So once you've done this, you'll be clicking this add creative to click on your TikTok post, select the particular post. Note that you will not be able to edit the text because you've already used the video and the text that you've been able to use to upload the video originally, right? So once you do that, the call to action is going to be send message and destination TikTok direct message. You tick these two boxes, right? Then once you tick these two boxes, then you click on publish all here. Below here, I'm going to circle it for you. Once you click on publish all, right, ads will be submitted for review, and you might be asked to make your payment. You make your payment, add your card, and it will be done successfully.